Happy 80th Independence Day to all. India gained freedom from British rule on August 15, 1947. We remember and salute our brave heroes and freedom fighters. Our national flag, Tiranga, stands as a proud symbol of our freedom. We must respect our country and keep our surroundings clean. Freedom gives us right to dream, learn and grow. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. National flag, Tiranga. National emblem, Ashoka. National anthem, Jan Gana Man. National song, Vande Mataram. National animal, tiger. National bird, peacock. National flower, lotus. National tree, banyan. National fruit, mango. National river, Ganga.